Hello everyone and welcome to Fantastic Phonics.
We are going to be learning the sound. Can you say Great! Now let's write using our finger. Great! Can you help me say the sound 5 times? Here we go. Great!
Now let's find words with this sound.
Our first word is mouse. 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 Let's sound out the word ow. Mouse. Great. Next is moon. 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 Milk. 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 Mango. 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 And our last word is jam. 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 Very good. Well done. Now, let's play. Can you remember the words from today? Let's see. What is our first word? Can you remember? Mouse. Very good. Can you remember our next word? Moon. Great. What is this? Milk. Excellent. Can you remember this word? Mango. Well done. And our last word? Can you remember this? Jam. Very good. Well done. Let's say our sound one last time. Great job! Well done!
See you next time. Goodbye.